Hi, this is a training video on how to provide an agency access to your ad account on Facebook. Firstly, why would you want to do that? Most agencies do not actually pay for ad spend. They only charge a management fee. And two, I always think that it's a good idea that you, the client, have access to the ads account, even if you never check it, don't understand any of it. I still think it's healthy and a really good idea that you, the client, keep control of your own ad account. So to do that, first you're going to go to Facebook. Do this on desktop, not on mobile. Click the little black arrow and go to manage ads. Now, if you have never set up an account, you'll have to create ads first. This manage ads won't show up. So just click the one right above it, which will be like create an ad account or something along those lines, and follow the directions. So you're going to click manage ads, and this is my own personal account. And the agency will need to have access to what we call your account ID. So click the little, we call this a hamburger, the three little lines, ads manager. This might say so many different things, but the hamburger, you'll see this drop down, go to settings. In here, it'll look like this. You're going to see this add account ID. Email this to the agency and they will be able to add it into their business manager in order to access your ad account and run ads on your behalf. Lastly, the other step that you need to do for this is just the ads account. Your Facebook page is completely separate from your ad account. They're not related. You're going to have to provide the agency with access to both. That is a separate video that I'll do another day. So just to repeat, you're going to go into manage ads. If you've never created an account before, you're going to have to go through the steps of creating an account. Hamburger, settings, and copy this ad account ID and provide it to your agency. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, pop them down below in the comments.